Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be something that I've been wanting to do for quite some time now. I just do the delivery driver stuff. I've seen a bunch of videos of people doing it, so I wanted to try to make a couple of my own. Right now we're gonna head on over to Walmart because that's the work that we do, and I will see you right over there. Okay guys, so we've made it to our parking spot and now we're just gonna wait for an order, and all of this is being recorded through my iPhone, so I will just have screenshots of the orders that we get and I will show you once we get it. Hey guys, so after waiting a little bit of time, we got our first order and it will be on the screen somewhere around this area, and we are about to go park and go shop it up. Alright guys, that was order one packed. We are going to get the location we need to head to and I'll meet you over there. Alright guys, that's order number one done. We'll try to do a couple more to finish off the day. Okay guys, it's probably been like 5 minutes since the last order and now we got a new one right here. These are probably the best orders. It was 6 items, very close. It should take us max 20 minutes, so I will be picking it up now. Alright guys, so we have this next order right next to me, and you know it's a good one when I don't have to put it in the trunk. Like I said, it's like a mile and a half away, so we are going to be heading there now. That is order number 2 complete. Hey guys, heading back from order number 2, and we got another order that was basically the same thing, really short miles, and about $14-15, and it's gonna be right here. So we're about to park and go get that one started. Alright, order 4 is packed and ready to go, and it's like 5 minutes away, so I will see you guys over there. Alright, we just finished that order and they went out to grab the groceries, so I didn't want to film them. We're headed back to the store now. I think I'll have the total somewhere on the top here, and we'll just do a couple more and see where we end out. I know we started at 3:30 and it is 5:30 right now, so that's how well we're doing for 2 hours. Alright guys, we have our next order and we're kind of hitting the sweet spot of orders, or what I like $15 to $18 in really short miles and items. I'll have this one right there, and it's $16, 7 items, like 2.5 miles. So once again, shouldn't take us longer than 25 minutes, and let's get it done. Oh yeah. All right, once again, 3 bags that we have to deliver. Pretty nice since I don't have to put it in the trunk. So let's go get it done. Alright guys, just finished order number 4. I wanted to add everything up, see where we're at, and right now we're at 6.7 and 26 cents. We're gonna try to hit 100. I'm probably gonna go for another hour and a half, so let's see what more we can do before that time's over. Alright guys, we just got back to the Walmart, just parked and got a new order. Once again, same idea, like 8 items, $14, a little under 2 miles. So let's go knock this out, and we are getting close to that $100 goal. So see you guys soon. Alright guys, we're about to deliver this 5th order, I believe, and we're gonna try to do one more after, and it'll probably have to be around 18. I'll have to make sure of the exact number. So if we can get that within like 10 minutes of coming back, we'll take it. If we get something lower in the same price, we'll probably do that too to finish off the day. So we'll drop off this one, come back and do one last one. Hey guys, so like I mentioned before, we are going to try to do one last order around $18. We'll give it a little bit of time, and if nothing comes up, then we'll just take whatever we can get. I have like 1 more hour to go, so we'll see if we can get something within that time. So I've been sitting here for a little bit and haven't gotten any good orders yet. I will give it until probably like 7:30, and then I have to call it. It is 7:07 right now, so the next update you're gonna be getting is us going into the store or us finishing the video, so stay tuned. All right guys, we got our final order. It's $19.70. Very, very close, and it's like 15 items with a quantity of 30, and it's just a bunch of cans. So let's hope we can finish this as fast as we can and then finish off this video. Let's give it up for the final order. We're going to drop this off, then we'll do like a final recap at the end, and we will chat then. Alright guys, that was our final order, and for all of the time that we put in, we should have a total of $101.5, which means we hit our goal. This is gonna be how many miles we drove, and then this right here will be the hourly. So thank you guys once again for watching this video. I wanted to try this out, so if you liked it, please like. If you didn't, please tell me why. And if you guys want me to try anything else when I'm doing these deliveries, please let me know. Have a great rest of your day, and peace.